This is a quick little video of insulating the attic space above my garage. First thing I did was install these rafter vents. I used a staple gun to attach them and they promote airflow. These roof rafters are 23 inches wide, 6 inches deep. So I bought the 23-inch wide, 6-inch tall model. Comes with 9 pieces per bag. I wear long sleeves, gloves, and an air mask, and knee pads. The tools I use is a rake, a saw, and a razor knife. Underneath the plywood floor, I use some of the smaller thickness insulation and cut each section so it fits underneath there. Okay, I'm all finished with the first part. Had some extra bats, so I laid them on the floor right here. Stuff is made out of fiberglass. I've noticed some of it was white, some of it was kind of off brown, but it's all the same product. Now I'm gonna create a insulation barrier for the attic stairs. I pull the stairs up, get some measurements, and I'm going to build a little box that fits over the stairs. Last summer I used this Seek thermal camera, and last summer the garage showed a lot of heat coming through because there was no insulation. It's winter time right now, so this thermal camera won't work as good, but I assume it's going to fix all the heat problems.